If tangent of theta is equal to negative 2/3, in which quadrants could the angle lie? Select all that apply. They're asking you to decide whether the angle will lie on quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4. Therefore, let's build our y and x axis. Here's the y axis, here's our x axis. And you have to remember, tangent, is that x or y? Tangent is y over x. And your tangent has to be negative. In order for it to be negative, your y and your x should have different signs. So for example, on quadrant number 1, if we have a point here, the x value will be positive and the y value will be positive as well. If you have a point on the second quadrant, your x-axis will be negative, your x value will be negative, and your y value will be positive. If you have a point on the third quadrant, your x value will be negative, and your y value will be negative as well. And if you have a point on the fourth quadrant, your x will be positive, and your y value will be negative. So therefore, in order for the tangent to be negative, your y and your x should have different signs. So your angle can be on quadrant number 2 and quadrant number 4. Because whenever you divide a positive, divide by negative gives you negative, or a negative divided by positive gives you also negative. Your answer are B and D.